is Simra. Welcome back to my channel, Simra Only. I hope you all are doing well and safe. I'm also doing well and safe. Today I'm going to share my eyeliner tutorial. Maybe it will help you, or if you are the master, you can tell me where I'm wrong or not. Without our wasting time, let's get started. So I'm going to use my favorite liner, which is very cheap. If you are India, you can get this liner at rupees 60 only, and this is full matte and perfect for me, and this is also long lasting. First thing, I always start from mid of eye, between upper and lower.
Drumming on the beat. Fools like them, they suss me out and then they ghost. Girls like me are like a magnet to a knot. Can like a lighter from the ocean. I sell them.
I actually like thick liner, so I am going to thick this.
Fools like them, they suss me out and then they ghost. I find a rainbow in the shade. We say it's to places a better one I saw. I said,
So guys, you can see the difference between both eyes. So guys, if you like this video, please don't forget to like this video, comment also in comment box, and don't forget to subscribe my channel if you are new on my channel. Till then, bye bye.